Sinabi niya na si Trigib Olaybar prevented him from disclosing details on the 52 billion to Secretary Bonoan. Ayaw pasabi raw, Mr. President. Tapos, sinabihan siya ni Yusek Trigib Olaybar na si Secretary Bonoan asked Executive Secretary Bersamin several times, sino ba magpapacilitate itong 52 billion? Of course, isasama sa BICAM, paano ito re-release? Sino magpapacilitate? Ang sagot ni ES Bersamin sa kanya, we will take care of it. Sila na raw ang bahala kung paano ayusin yung 52 billion. This is a painful lesson para sa atin lahat, Mr. President. You know, it pains me to see familiar names, some of them. The Executive Secretary is a good friend of mine, Mr. President. It pains me to mention his name. Kung gusto kasi ng iba, paniwalaan natin na sa Pangulo ang nag-utos mag-insert. But it doesn't make sense to me, Mr. President. That's why I'm trying to explain this to our colleagues and to the members of the DBCC family para maliwanagan naman natin, and in the presence of the media, maliwanagan naman natin na hindi kasama ang Pangulo. Kasi, yan, common sense. Siya nag-utos, ibibito niya. Siya nag-utos, i-EFLR niya.